Toilets in Japan are available in two main styles. Those typically seen in Western countries, such as America, which sometimes include bidet functions, and Japanese traditional toilets. Some Japanese toilets offer many features, such as flush options, a bidet, a heated seat, and sound privacy. Some models even open the lid automatically. Flush using the lever, button, or panel. Certain systems allow users to initiate flushing by waving their hand in front of a sensor. If the wave doesn't activate the flush, the system will automatically flush once the user leaves. For men's restrooms, most fixtures are sensor-activated and flush automatically when a person moves away. This type of toilet flushing mechanism uses a lever that can be pushed in either direction to control the strength of the flush. Look for die, big for a stronger flush, or show, small for a lighter flush to save water. Use the bidet functions for added hygiene. Oshiri for a rear wash, bidet for a gentler spray, ideal for front cleansing. Stop button, usually marked as Tomaru or stop, or shown with a square symbol. Water pressure. Adjust the intensity using the plus and minus buttons or a dial. For added privacy, many shower toilets include a sound option. Oto. This means sound. Press this button to play a flushing or ambient sound to mask noises and ensure discretion during use. For Japanese traditional toilets, face the hooded end. Squat low enough for waist to go into the bowl. Flush using the lever, button, or pedal, often located nearby. Here are some tips. Carry tissues in case toilet paper isn't available. Follow signs for disposal rules. Most toilets allow paper flushing. Always wash your hands after use. Soap and sinks are usually provided. Some older toilets do not provide paper towel to dry your hands, so bring your own towel or handkerchief. Now you're ready to confidently use Japanese toilets. Enjoy your journey.